Assalamu alaikum, Facebook viewers and listeners, and anybody that is listening to this message right now. My name is Momodu Kurbali. I have not been doing a Facebook Live in a very long time, but I thought I'll do one today, immediately after the Eid celebration, which is in Gambia called Tobaski. It is definitely one of those things that they wait a quick Facebook Live. I am going to go ahead and start this in Mandinka, and then I will speak a little bit in Fula, and just make it quick because I've got to beat traffic going to work. Mbani Gambian ko ntalom Mamadou Coulibaly mbal be kontona anala dimbayal be. I hope mobe salikunta and mobe la salo diata salo la nanying we aken le nyina tan problem jamal la Gambia kono mobe patikan mol nyinyata layon fata subol domota bari bi kabubi la kata December la koteke life come back to normal wolom nyinti ko nga nyinata nu menna nyintili dantan kono amanta nyinata la drum barana tal koteke wolom batame benna Gambia kono lafta wala kacala bi ka duniya jambe o kacala bi ñu holiday kono mol kacata le bo my internet is playing a little bit mol dole aje ko ha membe keri Gambia bi lafta nga wala kacha membe keri Gambia bi mol aje le ñin salo la kolya be ñame salo fela tambida bari ak kolya ñin mol ya kolya me ñin salo kono o manke sécurité momandie fo sadio lombang fo mano lombang fo courant lombang fo loptano lombang fen ni man tarata makanna banko kan bi so lafta le durum pour mol sa lonko ko ñin banala diabe a tambita sayin bari batañin o manta hani dula batañi binari ne membe tama kan na banko kan bi wala na nyanta kar la ñoo yamar la le kayita ko batame be na banko kan bi ala tala kola be na man sakundale kan katu aram baro e layon men fa anabe dumoro men na la state house kono basen kol kularin kol wal hani bi be o bata kilon la kono kurantan ya manola dakole ya jabola dakole ya wol be siarin bi bake so wala na lafta la gambenol sa lonko ko niaje molbe bataren bi na mansa kundale ya kende mansa kunda kendo le te Gambia banko kan kar birinyil nada iko mano dabe jilale mano daban ji tulo dabe celerin everything balwole famo be kolearin bi wo kama ni be banko kan ye carte fay mansa kunda sanji lulu lafale dorom pour mol si ye mira nyin na baki nkana nyin jube ko politikolum UDP lom wala NPP lom wala GDC lom bari nga jube ko sanji lulu komanto nga carte fay mansa kunda meye bi molbe nyaadi le Gambia banko kan fo bata bota mol kande bam fo bata mam mol kan fo karo bele je bam fo karo tije kadu bi Gambia banko kan momondi be tilina alaye e ba jelale ko batale be kere na molbe batare nin telephone man tra batare kadu alhamdulillah rabbil alamin do ko mol bulu mo jamal do lebe batare Gambia banko kan baluwo man tra sono yare ñing salola mol men dron e problème soto mol men dron kata e ka reach out mol men be diaspora siata bakele wosi faline no wo faline no la nyaadi wala ñenti ko ngam sakunda kendo naati man sakunda me ya lonko ate sila ka fo mole ko e bota ñin si kare do man sakunda me do ko dala pour gamme dingol si do ko soto pour gamme dingol la nafulo men man sakunda kata kama o ka ñenti tampon men ta isa dundi mol kan wolo man sakunda la nafaati bari binin man sakunda nata aram baro na la mol nga menje wolo ñenti ko ye motol ye na nafulo tabe motol sanna ibita campagne la ibe ko din tala iba dila mol la ibe mol nene la wala ma ñanna sonna wala foka pare ni aso kono je aba fula ko si kare ilaftame yidal mol la wala ñenti ko aram baro bota dame it should be a shame that aram baro bota family si famenta be sila fa be si ko fula Gambia banko kan yayin del buka si ko fo ntel don me bota balon kono anin te don me yalon ko mfamal mbamal ibada difference yo leto wala ñenti ko kula me yalon ko ku furi mulom karu pour mo fon e si ya fo ko ha nim man sakunda kare sida ibe fulol batal la warabe surwal batal warabe mani ko batal fo man sakunda mo clinati bam fontel bebe sira le ngaje ko man sakunda klimbe sirin doron abe fulol doron batanti kan wo harama dum fo mo ñante mira la ko la new ko kuma ko fo mo ñanta lo ko toñate adum abitara baake pour signo yamar wala kadu sai aram baro la politiko menti wala ñi ko ha ni UDP man sakunda nata ibe si kare dol batande la le wo manke toñati so ndaw ma wo balu UDP ma wo balu ntenumbe UDP ma wo balu because mansa kundati sila doro yafo ko itebe sarkulo drone batandila wo foma hani sense le make wara yafo ko be sila doro be mani ko drone batan wo nen man sura na bangu kan hani ya jamina ala kuriya aman si kilin doro mu ke batande wala dina gammen ko nyantalo na sakan na fula fenko population no banale fi o halaka ya jamone halde wonde man si UDP lamike be tampina fulbe ben dum min Mamadou Coulibaly mi do halno dum wona gonga dum ko fenande mansa kunda wona neddo goto mansa kunda ko kafu ko sare be jotta ko be yiya UDP no tampina jolfobe mano tampina fulbe dum ko fenande wona gonga ko be hulbina on woni politique ko dum watta sibe anni ala e gagnade be ettay be hulbina on ko be wiyata ko joni fi be jabani ɓetton kayriji natti ɗo yalti ɗo ɓe hulɓina on kono kamɓe gila ɓe jooɗi on foti landade hoore mo saka on honno business o woni e yarude honno prix price uji ɗum woni e yarude yimɓe fof no tampi hay business man uji ɗum wonde base ɓe andanta ɓe watta complain ɓe waɗa complain so ɗum ɗo komin wiyata on ko ɗum woni wonde mane o décembre arowo so ɗon waɗa woote wata ndaare wonde mane ko e o leñol iwi koye o saare iwi komin foti wadde woote ko ɗum woni wonde mane hommo wata jooɗade Gambie hannde mo andanta no wawi fewnude business aji ɗin no wawi addude ligge e saare nden hommo wata jooɗade Gambie hannde andanta ko neɗɗo moƴƴo neɗɗo heɓuɗo fayda kono Adama Barrow me yi gila o ari ƴetta kaali seeɗa soɗa motoji omo waɗa campagne emo addi yimɓe ɓen kono ɓiɓɓe mam ɓen no tampi business mo ala yaade ko ɗum noon woni Mansa Kunda sono Allah si Mansa tampere wonde Gambie hannde ko Mansa Kunda amen waɗi ɗum si min itti Adama Barrow ɗon min adda ɗon Mansa Kunda mo andanta adda yimɓe ɓe liggo nde tampere wonde Gambia wona tampere Pullo Fuuta wona tampere Jolfo wona tampere Ceɗɗo ko tampere mo andanta ko Mansa Kunda amen addi ɓayri iɓe sali liggade hettino ɗo kala ya hettino e hakkille ma pour wiya wonde man UDP jooɗike ɓe tampina e joolaji ɗum wona fi UDP ko UDP is a government minen fof min jottako min yeehi ɓe tampina one tribe min Mamadou Coulibaly mi jottako nder UDP mi yeehi ɓe tampina fulɓe te min part of me ko fulɓe ma mi yeehi ɓe tampina seɓɓe ma jolfe andanta miraɓe an ko jolfe ɗum wona gonga ɗum ko campagne ɓe watta pour ɓe hulɓina on. So at the end of the day, this is what it is. This is what the Barrow government is doing. They're trying to scare people away from other political parties, trying to tell people that if you vote the United Democratic Party into office, they're going to fight other tribes. That in itself does not make sense. And I want Gambians to really think about this because this is very important. What is happening is Adama Barrow and his government don't have any programs for Gambian people, do not have any vision. They have been in office for 5 years. The cost of living is skyrocketing. Today, this past Tobaski, you have the average cost of a ram is 20,000. We cannot continue to live like this. And this is why it is very important that every once in a while we come and tell you guys. What they're trying to do is to bring fear into the Gambian people. Make you believe that if you vote for the United Democratic Party, they're going to go after tribes. Listen, folks, this is not how we lived in the Gambia. We have never lived like this. What we have done in the Gambia and the way we've lived is to be each other's brothers and sisters. We protected each other. We made sure that we took care of each other. So all of a sudden, we cannot have a president who comes in there without an agenda, trying to tell the fullest that if you let the UDP win, or if you let GDC win, or if you let APRC win. Listen, even Yahya Jammeh was not that crazy to target one particular tribe. So we need to send the strongest message to Adama Barrow that you don't have any plans, that you don't have any vision for the country, that we're suffering more than we are today. The price is much higher today than before. And we need to let him know that the money that he's using is money that should have been put into our community. Because today we have seen there's been a national disaster in the country. The government still doesn't have a single plan on how they're going to help the people. If you go into the provinces, there are people sleeping outdoors because their roofs are blown away. Our government doesn't have a plan. But guess what? Adama Barrow does have a plan for his campaign, and that is to try and deceive you, bring politics of fear, and then buy a lot of trucks and a little bit of money to try and buy your votes. So it's very important. I know that we're just coming out of a festive season. Everybody's happy. But reality is now going to continue. Like today, the last 6 days, I haven't worked. But today I'm going back to work. The Gambian people, life come back to normal again. baluobe murula la benun damen ko teke nyina tamen na banna salo nyina batame men na banko kan alin kana nyina la alin ga funtinga diamu nyoye nga yita nyola ko o batame men na banko kan sa bondile no sa bondino nyaadi wolom nyinti ko mbenga lonko kana momoni nakar kana fan nakar kana momon di nene nga lonko o batani nin araw baro e kodo tanu janayta motol sang janayta be badula $150,000 sila lu wolung akawle do mala man sakunda kono wolom diamo nyindi na dinol be siring do kute bulu loptante kering karabunte kenete kering sila kenete kering sakantel basenkol mtakala filaw adresse la bakela basenkol isafok ha ay marché o londe o marché o na man sakunda kodo alla nyiti tanko alkami o men ta gambe to yala wo kodo ye woleta ye marché o nyi londa la bayri marché o nyi janita arambaro ma fo dron ko ha na man sakunda nyi important la linga nyi kere ma wokere bira janita fo sikile man sakunda o man sakunda be siringe alio brijol men jekanje arambaro ma wo brijol dura al fawla kodola wo na man sakunda foreign minister under Haji Usainu Dabo will later they will negotiate yanati URR. Yes, it is in URR. I am very happy about it. But I have always preached no to tribalism, no to regionalism. Until this scene all I don't tell Basenkol nga fokumba file Arambaro because I bridge only Fenkeje. Arambaro man bridge song so the bridge son table 5 years ago. So until see that being come funny nenela. Mbaitala mola ko bairi ha base bridge so bairi base marse kendo soro. Woto nintel baluta wonya Gambia banko kan sini nim president donata member banko do kan fo fana be monyina nyanta men kele wala with a government that is going to address national development needs for the entire region, for the entire country. That is what we're trying to get in the United Democratic Party. And I will tell you one thing about the United Democratic Party. I am a member of the United Democratic Party, a proud member of the party. The party is surrounded by diverse, educated, experienced people. I believe that ever since I have joined the United Democratic Party, I have been exposed to what this party is really about. Because if you look at the UDP, you will see from Kombo up to Koina, grassroots politics. This is a party that is rooted into the country, a party that when it comes to power, is going to make sure that those women are the narcos, the women at the market are the ones that we really take care of. Because at the end of the day, most of us that have this serious debate, what I call a storm in a teacup on Facebook, it doesn't affect the people in Basse. Many of us that have been doing this for a very long time in trying to reach out to our people who understand how much they're suffering. And this is why we decided to get into the political arena and get behind a very strong, dedicated, resilient leader in the name of Usainu Dabo. And I'm asking everybody that knows me, trust my sense of judgment, to be with me in the United Democratic Party. Vote them into office on December 4th and see what direction the party takes us. And so far, what is happening in our country, all Adam Barrow is doing is hoping that he can divide us as a nation. He can divide us into tribes, divide and conquer. We have seen that from Adam Barrow again. We cannot let somebody who has nothing, has no influence 5 years ago, to come today and make us believe that this tribe is against this tribe, that this tribe doesn't like this tribe, whilst he himself, Adam Barrow, who I happen to know very well, is from a very diverse family background, like me, very humble. But the fact that he's using tribe today and regionalism, it goes to show you how disgusting this party is and the kind of narrow-mindedness that they have as a political party. And we have to be very, very careful. This is not a personal attack. Momondi yaje abe sila abe sikuo fola. Momondi yaje abe sila abe sikuo faram fansila baki mo kendete. Karu mo sakani fuda the president yala mo nati together. Yes, ye unity diamu. But it ain't see carry not la ya jama fa ma woke. Sa do ne ma woke. Gambe mo see killing it, gambe mo banku killing it. And I get very uncomfortable talking about this whole tribe thing because it does not make sense. People like us, which side are we going to be on? People like Barrow, what side? But today, Barrow cannot talk about economic agendas. He cannot talk about visions of what he has 5 years down the road because it's already 5 years and we haven't seen anything. What we have seen is a bunch of cars and a lot of money coming into the country with a lot of high crime, no hospitals, no good schools, no good roads. This is what we need to take a look at when we come into that booth on December 4th. So mbari ngamen ko mbalbe tentula mala niyu lima wa fi rek lu gaaw moy ne julli bi romana neexna nit yu rafet nañ lekk gi bari na but suñ problème yi dañ ko fàtte woon rek demut fenn problème baa ngi fu mu nekkoon mooy ne dunda Gambia ñàkk a liggéey ñàkk a courant ba tey demut fenn te ñun waa Gambia ni war nañoo xalaat trop because tey buñ toogee duñ dee dégg dara lu Adama Barrow nekk di wax sudut ne mooy ne bu parti bii ñëwee fii dañooy xeex parti bii dañooy xeex tribe bii dañooy xeex tribe bii la deli lu ku ko nekk di def war nañoo seetaat borom because government warut a toog wax ne soose yi bugguñ olof yi bugguñ poli bugguñ soose yi government warut a def loolu noonu te ci lifin boobu noonu la Adama Barrow nekk di dundee because Adama Barrow du mun a toog wax ne liggéey bii laa liggéey bridge yu nekk basi yooyu noonu bridge yooyu noonu ñun xam nañu under ministre of foreign affairs ñoom Ousainou Darboe ñoo ko négocier yóbbu nañ ko basi loolu neex na ma trop man doomi basi laa marché boobu noonu balaa moo lakka Adama Barrow mu si la toog wax ne nañ jaga marché basi bi wante ba mu lakkee dëkk gi yëpp jóg dem dimbale waa basi man basi laa jógee so buñ demee foofu noonu ñu dem National Assembly tamit ñu ne dañ soxla xaalis pour dem jagari marché boobu noonu National Assembly génnee xaalis boobu noonu basi yi Gambia lañ war a taga du Adama Barrow because marché boobu ba mu lakkee National Assembly lañ dem jël xaalis boobu noonu isi ko foofu noonu so développement bu ñëw gis nii base it's not Adama Barrow it's not from Adama Barrow's pocket Adama Barrow amul xaalis boobu noonu su ko amoon sax xelam neexut boobu noonu because ñu ko gën a jege dañ wax ne xolam neexut duy maye sax so da ngaa gis ne pour ñu toog di nax suñ boppa di wax ne moom moo def li Adama Barrow deful dara si biir dëkk bi depuis bi mu ñëwee cost of living is high lopitaan yi baaxuñ yoon yi baaxuñ bu si julli bii na si gis nañ pour nga am laya si boppam foog nga génne 20,000 ñun duñ mun a dundee nii Gambia du mun a dundee lu war si doomi Gambien mooy 5 years nga sànnil nit karta boo leen sànnilee karta buñ fa toogee 5 years bu moo ñëw jeex si nga seet tey saaku maalo 1,300 saaku suur 1,600 laya soo ko jënd 20,000 onions in the 1,000. This is the things that we need to take a look at, my brothers and sisters. This is the agenda. This is to be able to sit as a government, think outside the box. How do we create jobs? Should be the discussions online. Should be the discussions of a national, of a government, but not to say this tribe. One final thing on the voter registration. We have all seen how mad Adama Barrow was, to the point where he was furious, like he owned us. Like he was going to insult us, he's going to abuse us. Why is Adama Barrow so mad that there are Gambians that are trying to stop foreigners from registering? Listen, Mamadou Coulibaly, if before I speak to you, you would probably think that I'm not a Gambian. I know that people teach me about that. But the fact remains that as much as I am in the United States here, I went through a process. I would not jump line, I would not try to cheat to get a voter's card to vote. Adama Barrow needs to understand that those people that are doing that, it is natural, it is okay. What is happening is that people are wanting to make sure that this election is a clean, clear election, that it is not somehow bought or stolen by any party. And that is what is happening. A government should always advise citizens, we invite you into the country, stay out of our political discussion, stay out of our political participation. You can discuss the politics, but you need to get out. And we need to remind ourselves that there is no crazy individual. None of those political party leaders there. As much as I have a different ideology than them, I don't think any government that comes in is going to target one tribe in that country. I don't think so. Lolu du dega kulen ko wax ne su UDP toge mos o su GDC toge o su APRC toge ya jame si bopam sohor la wone rey nit ñi ba togu ne rek ne mu ne poli la moo rey au soci la moo rey benn government du ñëw foofu noonu dafay def loolu so su keneen toogee feneen mu ne leen parti di sonal xeet bi soo ne parti du benn nit de groupe la nit ñu bëri la dëkk la man du ma toog ma gis ñuy sonal soose du ma toog ma gis ñuy sonal olof yi su ma rakay olof lañ du ma toog ma seet ñuy sonal poli su ma yaay pol la so it does not make sense when they bring the fear into us. We have to reject it. We have to be sensible people, and we have to understand. We have more to lose as Gambians if we get into this nasty politics of insulting each other. Rather, we should be able to fight for those people. Because as I always tell people, those of us that are very passionate about this, and those of us that are arguing, at the end of the day, no matter what happens, the people that are going to get affected in December, if we don't vote Adama Barrow out, are the people in the narcos, the people in the villages, the people that don't have jobs. Those are the people that are going to really suffer, and it's going to go back on us in the sense that we have to continue to help them. And the most dangerous thing right now in that country is that there's no jobs. Crime is high, no electricity. How can you vote for a government that is not able to regularize your electricity situation and your water situation in 5 years? I'm inviting all of you guys that this government, NPP, under Adama Barrow has, please rally behind the United Democratic Party and give them an opportunity for another 5 years and see what direction we go. I promise you that the bar is so low that they're very scared that if you put a United Democratic Party government in place, that they're going to do very well and the voters are going to reward them. This is the fear out there. It's not that they're not going to be a good government. They know that the United Democratic Party has what it takes, because all you have to do is take a look at Talib Bensouda, take a look at Rohilo, take a look at Fode Danjo, and you will understand that the little development that is happening in that country is headed by United Democratic Party chairmen, mayors, and members of parliament. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much. I have to fight traffic into Los Angeles. You all have a wonderful day, and I hope everybody...